till further notice by higher authority. Higher authority could only mean Mijaldea, Guevara, at ako.
Sir, are you saying that he signed the release order even after you told him not to release?
Wala akong pakialam. Pagka sinabi na may release, sabi ko, hindi yan tama. It was in the dead of the night. I could wake him up, tell him, no releases. Wala akong pakialam kung na-sign o hindi. Basta ako sinabi ko, no releases.
Pero
Pag
sir,
hindi mo isunod yan, upakan kita.
Sir, I'm sorry, but Antonio Sanchez was not released.
I said no releases, but what he said was a computation. May apoy na nga eh.
Okay.
I was